Watch this mess.
On all the altercations.
What's up, mother? It was like all hell broke loose in the house.
The alter egos.
You don't know me.
Holy hell. Martha's back.
Nobody in the house can handle their alcohol.
And the altar calls. By the grace of God, I won. Thank you, Jesus. Party down south. How the party started. Thursday at 10:09.
That is what I'm talking about. I'm sitting here trying to watch Rocky 3. Rocky 3, you know, a boxing movie. He's a Christian. And then on CMT, they're going to have this stuff where this girl's like doing some kind of, I don't know, strip dance or whatever. And say it was only by the glory of God that she won. And thank you, Jesus. Yeah, right. Like he's behind that kind of mess. Behind that kind of garbage. But that's just what I'm talking about, though. The mindset behind people who claim to be Christians. If you're living that kind of lifestyle, God is not for you. God is not behind you. If you're doing that kind of thing, God is not blessing you in that. That is in your own sinful efforts. That just really makes me mad. I mean, I'm so mad about it. Yes, I know that's how people are in this world, especially those who don't believe in Jesus Christ. But for Christians, you should not be living that way. In a party house, getting drunk all the time, doing strip dances or whatever that was. It's pathetic.